Hi, I'm Susan Littlefield. It is time to take a look at what is happening in the world of agriculture with these markets. Shawn Hackett is joining us today. He is with Hackett Financial Advisors. And you and I were just chatting. The headlines will be a dominant factor in what we see in these markets and will be ever changing. It seems like moment to moment to how we're seeing the numbers ebb and flow today.
Yeah, absolutely. We saw this during his first presidency that, he'll change his mind, he'll flip around and markets will go up and then they'll go down and they'll go down, they'll go up. The best way to manage this, Susan, is if you're a producer and you need to make some sales and we get a big surge on a headline, look to take advantage of that. And the same thing, if we get a headline that's negative and we get a big knockdown and you need to be buying physical corn or whatever, use the volatility to your advantage because we really can't predict from one day to the next what the next headline is going to be. That, to me, is the only way that we can manage it until we get a little better foothold on what the actual longer-term picture is shaping up here for this second term of President Trump's, stint here.
Well, and with it, there's some concerns as well. The other headline grabber has been this weather in South America. And there's some brutally dry areas with 100-degree temps headed their way.
Yeah, I mean, the way I'm looking at it is this. I think Argentina's crops obviously are going to come off from what everyone expected. It does look like some rains are coming in later in the month. I'm more worried about second crop corn in Mato Grosso. They're planting it late. There's been a lot of rain in the Mato Grosso area. And if you plant the crop late and you push pollination further into the Brazilian dry season, you run the risk of having yields fall below expectation at a time when the global stocks to usage in corn is extremely tight. That's could be a big market mover as we move into the spring. A delayed planting is not what the market wanted to see to try to rebalance this market.
All right, folks, we are going to talk about this and a whole lot more later today during the channel Final Bell, as Shawn Hackett will be joining us this afternoon. If you should miss the episode, don't worry. Pick it up as a podcast at ruralradionetwork.com. I'm Susan Littlefield for the Rural Radio Network.